Good morning, my friends. Today is Tuesday, May the 19th, 2020, and we are going to get started with our foundations lesson today. Today we're going to do our drill sound warm up. As you see, I'm not sitting in front of a board today because I have written everything down on our resource card for our resource folder box, our wall, whichever one we have in our homes. And yeah, we're going to do some decoding. We're going to do some decoding with sentences as well. And we're also going to do our drill sound warm ups. Okay. All right. So let's get started. TH, thumb. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. WH, whistle, w. G, game, g. Q, queen, qu. K, kite, k. V, van, v. P, pan, C, cat, k. B, bat, b. F, fun. T, top. M, man, L, lamp, ooh. Good job, friends. Almost done. Z, zebra, z. Okay. N, nuts, J, jug, j. K, kites, k. H, hat, S, snake, D, dog, d. W, wind, w. Almost done. R, rat, r. Good job. Y, yellow, y. Great, great. Repeat after me. Long A says A. Short A says A. Long I says I. Short I says it. Long O says O. Short O says ah. Long E says E. Short E says F. Long U says U. Short U says Great job, friends. So I want you to click on the next video and we are going to go into our sentences. Yes, I'm switching it up a little bit. We're going to do our sentences first today. All right, see you in the next video.